Welcome to this quick guide on how to create and set up a new Apple ID. First, ensure you are using a unique email address for the new Apple ID, as you cannot reuse the one linked to an existing account. Open your browser, such as Safari, and visit Apple ID's official website at appleid.com. On the page, avoid the sign in option. Instead, select the drop down menu and tap on Create your Apple ID. Proceed to fill out the required details, ensuring the email address is not already associated with another account. Any issues will be flagged in red. After completing the form, you may need to solve a CAPTCHA to confirm you're not a robot. Once done, tap Continue and check your email for a verification code. Enter this code on the website and move to the next step. Note that each phone number can only be associated with one Apple ID, so you'll need a new phone number if one is already linked to an existing account. After verifying your number, the new Apple ID is ready. To use it on your current device, go to Settings, sign out of your current Apple ID, and log in with the new one. Remember, this will not transfer existing data like backups, contacts, or apps. They must be reconfigured separately. That's it. You've successfully created and set up a new Apple ID.